guys, and welcome to another episode. In this episode we have something really simple. We need to protect our mud flaps. In this case, probably you guys didn't see it. A few months ago we did Cerakote on the whole trim on the RAV4. Everything is being treated except the mud flaps, and I don't remember why we didn't do it, but now we got the chance to do it. And instead of using Cerakote, because if you apply Cerakote or if you know about this product, you need to know how to apply it, because you cannot level it up with a towel. You have to know how to apply it. In this case we're gonna use something else. This is really good. It lasts about 200 washes or a couple of years. In this case we're not gonna use this because you really need to know how to apply it. In this case we are using a new product. Probably you saw it on some other videos, but I didn't talk about it. This is the C4 from the company Gtechniq. This is a permanent trim restorer. Easy to use, and I like this one a lot, a little bit more than Cerakote, because this one is not gonna be super shiny like Cerakote, but this is easier to apply. You apply it and you can level it up with a microfiber towel, so it's gonna be much easier to apply. In the package we're gonna have the 15 milliliter bottle and applicators, instructions on how to apply it too. So you can get this one or you can get the 50 milliliter, but that one is around $60 some. This one is around 40. It's still expensive, double the price of the Cerakote, but this one works really good. So like I said, we're not gonna use Cerakote. We wanna try this one on the mud flaps. Let's see how it looks. Once you apply it, level it up right away. Let it cure for 12 hours. And before the application, you need to clean the area that you're gonna apply. Use some degreaser. In this case, we're gonna use this degreaser. Then we're gonna throw water, get them dry. So it's not gonna be a lot. It's gonna be only this part right here. So it's gonna be really easy, really simple. You can see right there, really easy to apply. You can level it up. This is from the plastic, so it's nothing that we can do about that, but they look a lot better. I'm gonna show you the other side so you can see the difference. This is the one on the back side, and that's the one on the passenger side. You can see the difference on color from this part to the mud flaps. Okay, we're done. As you can see, it look a lot better than before. And this is just a little example of what you can do. You can do the whole trim. If your trim is old, this product is gonna restore the whole thing. But just for the video, I'm showing you that part because everything is being protected already. And Cerakote is still working really good on the trim, but for some reason we didn't cover this part last time. Next step is gonna be probably summertime. We're gonna remove the mud flaps and we're gonna cover right there inside, because if you can see that little line, it's not being covered, so we need to cover the whole trim, but we need to remove them, and that's gonna be later on. For next week, probably we're gonna wash this area under the windshield, and we're gonna put Cerakote right here on the inside and on the outside. The outside is never been protected, but it looks really good because this RAV4 is always in the garage. Okay guys, and just to finish, if you want to apply this product and you're gonna use it on the whole trim on your vehicle, probably these applicators, they're not gonna last because they break really easy. If you want to get some foam or microfiber applicators, you can use this as well, because if you want to do it on your whole vehicle and you have a lot of trim, probably these 4 little applicators, they're not gonna last. They break really easy. Guys, so I'll leave you with that. Link is gonna be in the description for this C4 from the company Gtechniq. If you wanna get this 15 milliliter, or if you wanna get the 50, probably you have a lot of trim on your vehicle, you can get the 51. Obviously it's more expensive, but it depends on your need. I'll leave you with that. Link in the description for this one and for the Cerakote. But like I said before, Cerakote, you need to know how to apply it. This is easier because you can level it up with a microfiber towel. I'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.